years now.
Man.
I did the lagging on the drum
All right, CSX Hendickson, you guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ready, roll? Everybody ready? Go ahead and do your crossing, Laura. One more time?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Ready? Everybody ready? Quiet on the set. All right, Hendickson 800, do another sequence, over. We're gonna do it one more time.
Third time's a charm.
I don't like that quilling bullshit.
Oh, come on.
That was the best part!
Yeah, that was the best part. Please say that on the radio, Eric. I'm good, Eric.
You ready?
All right, let's rock and roll.
All right, CSX Hendickson to Clinchfield 800. One more time. Not so much quilling though, for Uncle Eric doesn't like that. Much better. All right, everybody got their shots for here right now?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna
Do the run by.
yeah.